Hi everyone, welcome to victoriapacking.com, and today we're going to make this healthy, heartwarming soup, amazing for any winter cold evening. So enjoy the idea and stay tuned. This is pretty freehand soup. I'm using spaghetti squash as you see. I filmed it a while ago and it was home spaghetti squash that my friend grew in her garden. But you can use any squash, sweet potato, even regular potato sometimes works. So just freehand. And I'm using organic peas, carrots, and any vegetable that you think, preferably orange ones. Really lovely in here. Add a couple of garlic cloves, no salt seasoning, yellow mustard seeds, and no salt cube. Please use no MSG, preferably no salt organic vegetable cube. Squeeze half a lemon on top to undercut the sweetness of the vegetables. This is thyme leaves, about a teaspoon basil as well. Add pinch of allspice. Allspice tend to overpower all the flavors, so just be careful with this spice. But it gives a lot of body and aroma to the soup. Cover everything with water. Add salt, quite a bit of salt, because it's going quite for a long time and it's going to be pretty bland, and vegetables are very sweet. Pop the lid on and plug on high for about 3 to 4 hours. By the way, if you are really too tired and sickish, you don't have even to cut and chop the vegetables. You can use frozen mix of your choice in this recipe, like broccoli, cauliflowers, whatever you like. Pretty freehand soup. At this point, you can freeze portions of the soup and then defreeze it when you need it the most in the middle week, when it's miserable and cold and you need something uplifting and beautiful. Another thing, if you like spicy, add a couple of teaspoons of hot sauce on top and it will be absolutely amazing and wonderful. I love to serve it with dark rye bread with nuts, and enjoy and be healthy. And don't forget to subscribe, write me a comment, thumbs up me, and cheers, Victoria. Love you all. See you next time. Bye.